channel, Real Militaires. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Neti wash. First I'm going to show you some of the materials you'll use. Always use distilled water. Never tap water, never stream water, well water, not even drinking water from a bottle. Only distilled water. Use salt that says does not supply iodide. This is called a Neti pot. You can buy these in health food stores or drug stores. You'll need a clean cloth and a bowl or some receptacle where you can let the water run into. I've already heated the water to body temperature and I've placed a small amount of salt into it. You'll work over time, you'll figure out how much salt. Start very conservatively. When there's no discomfort whatsoever, you'll know that you have just enough salt for your body. I'm going to show you first without water how it works. Left hand, plug the hole, pour in the water. Place it in the right nostril. Elbow up, eyes up, like this. Always breathing through the mouth. Relax the shoulder. Most of the time, when you're beginning, the water will only flow through the nostril. Later you can control it. It can flow from the nostril out to the mouth. Today I'll show you nostril to nostril. And after you're finished, I'll show you how you expel the water. So first, you fill your Neti wash. Move your pan out of the way so you don't hit it. Place this in the right nostril and follow through. Turn to the side. Through both nostrils, expel the water. And now we'll switch sides. Right hand, plug it, fill the pot, place it into your left nostril. Elbow up, look up. Keep the cloth handy because more water will expel itself naturally, and you might go and do a little bit of motion combining head up and head down types of movements to get the rest out. And that, my friends, is the Neti wash.